Hey guys, we're doing the oil change today on my Honda CB 2013 500X. This is my first oil change, so what I first had to do is remove this fairing. I don't know if you guys can see, but this fairing goes over here, and there's two bolts here and here. So you gotta move that. This is all the tools, everything you need. Just some Allen wrenches. If you have an oil filter wrench, that helps out. And then this is the oil I'm using. It's the Gen 4 Honda motorcycle oil. It takes about 3 quarts. And the bolt, I'm going to try and show you guys. The bolt is right under here, and it uses a 12 millimeter socket. So that's what it is. Oops. Okay. Might have to hold the GoPro a second. I can't see where the bolt is, so I'm gonna have to take off the helmet. I'll continue the video later. Okay guys, it's going pretty good. I'll show you this a second. There's like 2 more fairings, and it's like right here. It comes around. I had removed both of those 2, and then I had to take off the it makes it a lot easier to take off the oil filter, which is right here. And then so I got that off, drained it, and then another tip for you guys is when you put the new filter on, put a little put like a little oil around the seal part, and that just helps it seal to the bike better. And then so right now we're going to add oil. It said it takes 3 quarts, or 2.7, almost 3 quarts. Hope this works, because I don't know any other way. Looks like it's going in. Don't really want to spill a lot of this. This is expensive. Obviously you saw on the price tag it's like $6 a quart. Pretty pricey. Yep, 2.7 liters, which is almost 3 quarts. So I guess I'm going to add another one. My mess I made. Yeah, this is my first time doing the oil change too on this bike. I'd like to thank all you other guys too, doing maintenance on your motorcycles. All your tips and stuff, they helped me out a lot, especially since I'm a new rider and I'm learning how to work on my bike myself. I don't know too much, but learn something new every day. Okay, so that's 2 quarts. I think what I'm going to do now is put the bike on the ground and then let it warm up so it goes through the oil reaches through everything, goes through the filter. Wow, I have a mess. Okay, I'm not done yet though. Getting there. Just thought of something. If I take the bike off, I'm not going to be able to get that. Not going to be able to get this plastic on easily, so I better put this on now. So it goes like this. Remember, all of these hoses came through here. Whoops. Back is this little guy at? Trying to remember where the heck is the last part. Oh, way up there. Oh, I see. That's how it goes. Easier said than done. But I don't mind working on my bike myself, just everything takes time. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I think nope. This is not easy as it looks. Whoops. What the fuck? Yeah. Oh, I can't get this stupid bolt started. Got the wrong bolt or something? Stay. Shouldn't be, they all should be the same. Alright guys, I gotta pause this to work on the bike. Okay guys, that's how to do the oil change. If you want me to do another tutorial, just let me know. I'll probably do one of how to clean the chain, stuff like that. So yep, not too many tools, just take some time. You gotta take off most of the fairings underneath. Just makes it a lot easier. So thanks for watching guys. Bye.